Oh, hi everybody, it's Ray. I quickly want to show you a quick explainer video on the Buyer Enquiry Wave. Now, if you're using this document here, the 27 proven tips, you'll notice that number 27 is, or number 26, I'm sorry, ask your agent to explain the Buyer Enquiry Wave down there. So I'm going to show you right here and now what it is and how we do it. So all you need to do is a single sheet of paper, and this is something that you do in front of your seller, because what we're looking to show here is that to help your seller understand that every property for sale has a use by date. So it's really easy. I've done this a million times, and it's really handy when a seller has an overinflated idea of what their property is or property is worth, and the market's actually starting to turn off rather than keeping on going really strong. So this is how it works. You simply draw your axis or index or whatever it's called, left and right, like an L graph. Now, this column here indicates the number of buyers. So I go plus and minus, and as I'm doing this, I'm explaining to the seller. I start off by saying, hey, has anybody shown you how the Buyer Enquiry Wave works? And they'll say no, because nobody has. And then I'll explain, okay, this side indicates buyers, and down here we're talking this side, this part of the graph indicates time, and we measure time in weeks. Okay, so let's look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. And what I explain is that when a property is most attractive and gets the largest number of buyer inquiries when it first comes onto the market, but then it trails off. So the buyer inquiry graph, most sellers in fact think when you start off and you're on the market, the buyer inquiry just keeps going up and up. But you know and I know that that doesn't happen. So what actually happens is that it peaks and then it trails away. So what I'm trying to explain to my buyers, to my sellers rather, is that this period, this point in here is when it's really important that your property is priced correctly, because that's when you're going to be attracting the majority of your interest. So that's how to draw it. That's how to do it. If you need any more help, please let me know. Cheers and take care.